What if the appraisal says that repairs are necessary? So just like an FHA loan program, you do have that component of an inspection when the appraisal is being conducted. So Graco, what happens if the if the appraisal calls for repairs?
Repairs got to get done.
What are some of the repairs though that are they're going to be calling out?
It's a lot like
I mean,
FHA.
it could be,
It's like
something as
it's
small
like
as an
FHA.
They
hour.
are not lenient on that
Yeah.
because it's for the protection of the vet.
Correct.
They're not gonna curve that. And
Right.
give
So for example, FHA, you have like chipping paints,
No chip
right?
paints allowed.
Hanging
Chipping.
loose wires,
GFIs.
GFIs.
You know,
all that good stuff.
fridge and stove have to be operating and functioning. You know, I mean, there's
Running water.
a lot of stuff that you can't do on a conventional loan. You can do it. This is the only place where conventional loans are more lenient than VA loans.
And then also, can I use the cosigner? I mean, if you stay within the loan limits and there's that's the income ratios, I mean, you still have to qualify for the loan, right?
You can use a cosigner.
You can use the cosigner, even though that cosigner doesn't, it obviously is not a veteran. And
Correct. Yeah, the cosigner doesn't have to be a veteran.
okay, so
That
just
was-
income. Okay, we got this. All right, you're going on record for that information. If it's not true,